We're here to get our pickles.
Yes, we are.
Because we didn't get them yesterday.
No,
And they're not really pickles.
they're cucumbers. Soon to be pickles.
So we're going to go get them.
Let's go get them.
Here they come, the cucumbers.
And then the dill, I wanted a bunch. I didn't know how to sell.
Yeah, I'll I sell it by the bunch. I usually recommend a bunch for every 10 pounds of cubes, but people's recipes vary.
Yeah, I'll take one. I still take 4.
4?
And then I also want a red onion. Boy, that smells good.
Well, we got the cukes.
And the dill. And the garlic. And I threw in a red onion just for...
So on this video, we're going to actually show you, well, I'll film it. Karen will actually show you how to make a pickle.
dill pickles. Now, they won't be ready till like Christmas. That's why we make them now. What we made last year, we got a little bit left over.
They are good. Excellent pickles. So, see you on the film. Bringing in the dill, because you gotta have dill to have dill pickles. Before we start anything, before we start making pickles, actually I won't be making any of it, we have to eat some Pringles. So let's open the Pringles.
Okay.
You put onions in there too?
No, I just got that because it was scared. Different shapes and sizes. Will hopefully be enough for 8 at least, or 9 quarts. There's 12 cups of water, 4 cups of vinegar,
Okay.
1 cup of pickles. There we go. Now I'm going to start it to boil. While this is boiling, I'm going to get the garlic ready and the dill. I like to put 2 heads of dill and 2 garlic cloves in each quart. That's what I do. Everybody's recipe is different. This starts smelling good for a bit. I will usually put 2 cloves in. This time I might just put 1. Like this clove here is exceptionally large. I don't know how everybody else peels garlic. This is how I do it. It doesn't smell like garlic for a while.
But that'll keep away vampires.
Yeah, you won't be coming.
Oh, I might.
Okay, we'll see how many. This is probably on. This is 20 pounds of cucumbers, all small, in excellent condition. We'll see. I've only got enough for 8 quarts, so we'll see. How many we have left after 8 quarts. Save the smaller ones for the top. Mixture in here, the brine, and I can't find my big ladle, before I'm using this little baby. Much quicker. Do it to about, I think, a ½ inch in the top. do that's different is I don't do a hot water bath, and that's what makes them crisp. And normally they almost all of them pop. I take them, usually if it's hot outside, I'll set them out in the sun, and it's kind of a cloudy day, it's not gonna get that hot. So I'll probably just set them in the garage, and then I'll wait for them to pop. And I'll give them a couple days, and the ones that don't pop, I'll put in the refrigerator. And usually out of every year I've done this, I do about 2 dozen, and there might be 3 that don't pop. That's it.
A bottle of pickles.
Or a jar. And into the crate they go.